Hello. This is a new video where we will be taking a home tour of Dina's house, where you can see the neutral decoration in country cottage style. I hope you have fun, and below I leave you some tips. Neutral colors are favored in cottage style because they create a sense of warmth and coziness, which is a key characteristic of cottage design. These colors also help to create a relaxed and inviting atmosphere, perfect for a cottage setting. Additionally, neutral colors serve as a versatile base that can easily be mixed and matched with other colors and patterns, allowing for a more versatile and eclectic design aesthetic. Overall, neutral colors help to enhance the cozy and charming feel of a cottage space. Neutral colors are a trend in decoration for several reasons. Neutral colors such as white, beige, gray, and cream are versatile and classic, making them a timeless choice for decorating. They have a soothing and calming effect, creating a sense of timelessness that can withstand changing trends. Neutral colors are extremely versatile and can be easily integrated into any design style, from cottage to traditional, country to rustic. They provide a neutral backdrop that allows for easy mixing and matching of different colors, textures, and patterns. Also, neutral colors are flexible and can adapt to different seasons, trends, and personal preferences. They can easily be updated with pops of color through accessories, textiles, and artwork, allowing for easy changes without a complete overhaul of the space. Another point in your favor, neutral colors tend to reflect light and create a sense of brightness and spaciousness in a room. They can make a space feel larger, airier, and more open, making them a popular choice for smaller rooms or spaces with limited natural light. And if you are looking for a quiet atmosphere, neutral colors have a calming and serene effect on our minds and emotions, creating a sense of peace and tranquility in a space. They can help reduce stress and promote relaxation, making them an ideal choice for living rooms and other areas where we want to unwind and recharge. In the living room, it is essential that neutral colors serve as a perfect backdrop for adding pops of color through accessories such as throw pillows, rugs, artwork, and accent furniture, allowing for easy customization and personalization of the space. Additionally, neutral colors harmonize the living room by providing a cohesive and visually pleasing backdrop that can complement a variety of design styles and aesthetics. In the dining room, neutral colors typically stand out in a dining room because they create a sense of peace and tranquility, allowing the focus to remain on the food and the company. They also create a sophisticated and elegant atmosphere, without being overwhelming or distracting. Neutral colors such as beige, ivory, gray, and taupe can help to make a space feel larger and more open, which is especially beneficial in a dining room where you want to create a welcoming and comfortable environment for guests. Additionally, neutral colors are versatile and can easily be paired with a variety of different accent colors and decor styles, making them a great choice for a dining room that you want to keep timeless and classic. Kitchens with islands are cozy because they offer additional seating, workspace, storage, and serve as a central focal point in the room, creating a welcoming and inviting atmosphere for family and guests. Islands provide extra seating options for family and guests to gather around and socialize while the cook prepares meals. This creates a cozy atmosphere where everyone can interact and be together. Also, islands offer additional countertop space for food preparation, cooking, and baking. Having more space to work in the kitchen can make the cooking experience more enjoyable and efficient, creating a cozy feeling in the space. And if you need more storage, islands often come with built-in cabinets and shelves, providing extra storage space for kitchen essentials such as pots, pans, and utensils. This helps keep the kitchen organized and clutter-free, contributing to a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. Additionally, take the opportunity to place a focal point with a flower arrangement, because islands serve as a central focal point in the kitchen, drawing the eye and adding visual interest to the space. This can create a cozy and inviting ambience that makes the kitchen a warm and comfortable place to be. In the bedroom. Neutral colors are commonly used in bedrooms because they create a calm and relaxing atmosphere. These colors, such as whites, grays, and beiges, are subtle and soft, making them perfect for a restful space like a bedroom. They also have a timeless quality that can help create a sense of serenity and tranquility. Neutral colors are versatile and can easily be paired with different accent colors and decor styles, making them a practical choice for a space that you may want to change or update in the future. Additionally, these colors can help create a sense of balance and harmony in the room, promoting a peaceful and soothing environment that is conducive to rest and relaxation. Additionally, neutral colors are a popular choice for bedrooms because they create a simple, soothing, and inviting atmosphere that can help promote a good night's sleep and a sense of calmness.